Titles: The 5 Strategies That Teenagers Can Use to Start Investing Wisely. Script. Intro. Investing might seem like a daunting task, especially for teenagers who are just starting to navigate the world of finance. However, understanding how to invest early can set the foundation for a secure financial future. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 strategies that teenagers can use to start investing wisely. Whether you're saving for college, a car, or even your first home, these tips will empower you to make informed decisions with your money. We'll explore practical and accessible investment options that cater specifically to young investors. From understanding the basics of stocks and bonds to exploring innovative platforms designed for beginners, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to take your first steps into the investment world. You'll learn about the importance of setting financial goals and how to create a budget that allows you to allocate funds for investing. We'll also discuss the significance of starting early and the power of compound interest, which can significantly boost your savings over time. Additionally, we'll touch on the various investment vehicles available to teenagers, including custodial accounts and apps that make investing as easy as a few taps on your smartphone. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make your money work for you, even at a young age. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and discover the top 5 ways to invest as a teenager, stay tuned. This is your chance to learn how to build wealth, gain financial independence, and set yourself up for success in the years to come. Let's jump right in and explore these exciting investment opportunities. Number 5. Understanding blockchain technology. At the foundation of cryptocurrency lies blockchain technology, which is crucial for anyone looking to learn about digital currencies. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. This technology is what sets cryptocurrencies apart from traditional currencies, as it eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. What makes blockchain particularly fascinating is its ability to create trust in a trustless environment. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and once added, it cannot be altered without consensus from the network. This immutability is a key feature that enhances security and reduces fraud. Understanding blockchain is essential for grasping how cryptocurrencies operate, making it a vital starting point for any novice investor. While blockchain is foundational, it ranks at number 5 because it serves more as a background mechanism rather than a direct investment opportunity. Unlike the higher-ranked items, which offer more immediate engagement with the cryptocurrency market, blockchain knowledge is more about understanding the infrastructure that supports these digital assets. Number 4. Exploring Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, ranks at number 4. It introduced the world to the concept of digital currency and remains a dominant player in the market. Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing users to send and receive payments without the need for a central authority. Its limited supply of 21 million coins creates scarcity, which has contributed to its value appreciation over time. What sets Bitcoin apart is its widespread acceptance and recognition as a legitimate form of currency. Many businesses now accept Bitcoin as payment, and it has become a staple in investment portfolios. However, while Bitcoin is a great entry point for learning about cryptocurrency, it lacks the technological diversity and innovative features found in other cryptocurrencies, which is why it ranks higher than blockchain but lower than more versatile options. In summary, understanding blockchain technology is essential for grasping the mechanics of cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin offers a more tangible investment experience, making it a more engaging choice for those ready to dive deeper into the world of digital currencies. Number 4. Buy fractional shares. Investing in fractional shares is a game-changer for young investors and those with limited capital. Fractional shares allow you to purchase a portion of a stock rather than a whole share, making it possible to invest in high-value companies without needing a large sum of money up front. This democratization of investing opens the door for teenagers and novice investors to build a diversified portfolio without breaking the bank. One of the standout features of buying fractional shares is the ability to invest in well-known companies like Amazon, Google, or Tesla, which may otherwise be out of reach due to their high share prices. With fractional shares, you can invest as little as $5 or $10, allowing you to dip your toes into the stock market and gradually increase your investment as you learn and grow. This approach not only fosters a sense of ownership but also encourages a habit of saving and investing from a young age. Moreover, fractional shares enable investors to diversify their portfolios more effectively. Instead of putting all your money into a single stock, you can spread your investment across multiple companies, reducing risk and increasing the potential for returns. This strategy is particularly beneficial for teenagers who are just starting to learn about the stock market and want to minimize their exposure to volatility. However, while buying fractional shares is an excellent way to start investing, it ranks at number 4 because it still requires a basic understanding of stock market principles and the companies you choose to invest in. Unlike the higher-ranked items, which may offer more immediate engagement or educational value, fractional shares are more about practical application and investment strategy. In contrast to the top-ranked options, which may provide broader insights into the investment landscape, fractional shares focus on the execution of buying stocks. This makes it a fantastic stepping stone for young investors eager to take action while still learning the ropes of the financial world. Number 3. Explore robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are revolutionizing the way individuals approach investing, making them an excellent option for teenagers and novice investors alike. These automated platforms use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. With minimal effort, users can access a diversified portfolio tailored to their needs, making investing more accessible than ever. One of the standout features of robo-advisors is their low cost. Unlike traditional financial advisors who may charge hefty fees, robo-advisors typically offer services at a fraction of the price, often with no minimum investment requirements. This affordability allows teenagers to start investing with small amounts of money, making it easier to build wealth over time. Additionally, many robo-advisors provide educational resources and tools that help users understand the investment process, fostering financial literacy from an early age. Robo-advisors also excel in their hands-off approach. Once you set your investment preferences, the platform takes care of the rest, automatically rebalancing your portfolio and reinvesting dividends. This passive management style is perfect for those who may not have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. It allows young investors to focus on other priorities such as school or extracurricular activities, while still growing their wealth. However, robo-advisors rank at number 3 because, while they simplify the investment process, they may lack the personalized touch that comes with human advisors. Unlike the higher-ranked options, which may offer more interactive learning experiences or direct engagement with the investment community, robo-advisors primarily rely on algorithms. This means that while they are efficient, they may not provide the same level of tailored advice or emotional support during market fluctuations. In contrast to buying fractional shares, which require some understanding of individual stocks, robo-advisors take the guesswork out of investing. They are ideal for those who prefer a more automated approach, making them a fantastic choice for teenagers eager to start their investment journey without the complexities of active trading. Number 2. Invest in index funds. Investing in index funds is a powerful strategy that offers a balanced approach to building wealth, making it an ideal choice for teenagers looking to enter the investment world. Index funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, allowing investors to gain exposure to a broad range of stocks with just one investment. This diversification reduces risk and enhances the potential for steady returns over time. One of the most appealing attributes of index funds is their low cost. They typically have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds, meaning more of your money goes toward actual investments rather than management fees. This cost-effectiveness is particularly beneficial for young investors who may be starting with limited capital. Additionally, index funds require minimal maintenance, as they are passively managed, allowing investors to sit back and watch their investments grow without the need for constant monitoring. Another significant advantage of index funds is their historical performance. Over the long term, they have consistently outperformed many actively managed funds, making them a reliable choice for those looking to build wealth gradually. This long-term perspective aligns perfectly with the goals of teenagers, who have the advantage of time on their side. By starting early, they can take full advantage of compound interest, which can significantly amplify their returns. However, index funds rank at number 2 because, while they offer a solid foundation for investing, they may not provide the same level of excitement or engagement as the top-ranked option. Unlike the higher-ranked items, which may involve more active participation or learning opportunities, index funds are more about a set-it-and-forget-it approach. In contrast to robo-advisors, which automate the investment process, index funds require investors to take a more hands-on approach in selecting the right fund that aligns with their financial goals. This makes index funds an excellent choice for teenagers who are ready to learn about market dynamics while still benefiting from a diversified investment strategy. Investing in index funds empowers young investors to build a robust financial future with confidence and ease. Number 1. Start a savings account. Starting a savings account is the quintessential first step for teenagers embarking on their financial journey, and it rightfully claims the top spot on our list. A savings account provides a safe and secure place to store money while earning interest, making it an ideal foundation for building financial habits. Unlike other investment options, a savings account is straightforward, accessible, and requires minimal initial capital, making it perfect for young savers. One of the most significant attributes of a savings account is its liquidity. Unlike investments that may tie up your money for extended periods, savings accounts allow easy access to funds whenever needed. This flexibility is crucial for teenagers who may want to save for short-term goals, such as a new gadget, a special outing, or even college expenses. The ability to withdraw money without penalties encourages responsible saving while still providing the freedom to spend when necessary. Additionally, savings accounts typically offer interest on the deposited amount, allowing your money to grow over time. While the interest rates may not be as high as those found in other investment vehicles, the guaranteed growth is a comforting feature for young investors. This aspect instills the importance of saving and demonstrates how money can work for you, even in small increments. Starting a savings account also serves as an excellent educational tool. It introduces teenagers to fundamental banking concepts, such as interest, deposits, and withdrawals, while fostering a sense of financial responsibility. This foundational knowledge is essential as they progress to more complex financial products in the future. In contrast to index funds, which require a more hands-on approach and a longer-term commitment, a savings account is about immediate accessibility and security. While index funds offer the potential for higher returns, they also come with risks that may not be suitable for all young investors. By prioritizing a savings account, teenagers can develop healthy financial habits, learn the value of saving, and prepare themselves for future investment opportunities. This makes starting a savings account not just a smart financial move, but a vital stepping stone toward a secure financial future. Conclusion. In this video we explored the top 5 ways for teenagers to start investing and build a solid financial foundation. We began with the essential step of starting a savings account, which ranks at number 1. This straightforward approach not only provides a safe place to store money but also teaches valuable lessons about saving and financial responsibility. Next, we discussed the benefits of investing in index funds, which ranked at number 2. Index funds offer a diversified investment strategy with low costs and the potential for steady growth, making them an excellent choice for young investors ready to take their first steps into the market. Following that, we highlighted the advantages of exploring robo-advisors at number 3. These automated platforms simplify the investment process, allowing teenagers to create tailored portfolios with minimal effort and cost. At number 4, we examined the option to buy fractional shares, which enables young investors to own a piece of high-value stocks without needing substantial capital. This approach fosters diversification and encourages a hands-on experience in the stock market. Finally, we delved into the importance of understanding blockchain technology and its role in the cryptocurrency landscape, which ranked at number 5. While it serves as a foundational knowledge base, it sets the stage for more advanced investment opportunities. Each of these strategies offers unique benefits and insights into the world of investing, empowering teenagers to take control of their financial futures. As you explore these options further, consider how each can fit into your personal financial goals and aspirations. Investing is not just about making money, it's about building habits that will serve you well throughout your life. So, whether you're starting with a savings account or diving into the world of index funds, remember that every small step counts. Take action today, educate yourself, and watch your financial future unfold. The earlier you start, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your wealth and achieve your dreams.